Have you been thinking about buying an investment property to maybe renovate, fix up, sell, make some profit, a fix and flip as people call it, or even a renovation that you can turn into a rental? We're gonna go through an entire process on how you can make money flipping a home. Hey everyone, it's Justin here with LethbridgeRealEstate.com, and this is our flip.
Did you gamble? Huh?
Okay, we're inside the house. I'm gonna give you a quick tour, the before and after. Obviously we wanna make money on this project, so I'm gonna show you my ideas on how we can make some money. I'll give you a tour of each room, and then we'll show you the afters when we're all done. So in the living room, you kind of see that, you know, it's gross. Possibly painting the fireplace, that could add it. Obviously the carpet needs to go. Paint in the whole place, and then light fixtures. Move on to the kitchen. I've already pre-built the cabinets.
Yes!
There you go, built the cabinets ourselves. We actually had them built before we even took possession. Came in, measured. So yeah, all this will be gone. New appliances, we shop locally at Baker's Appliances here in Lethbridge. Those will go away. We're gonna extend it out so you'll have a pantry here, the dishwasher there, big fridge area there. Railings, they gotta go. We gotta repaint all the doors. It's one of those engineered homes, so all the doors go right to the ceiling. It does have 3 bedrooms up, so yeah, just the plan, same thing. Carpet, wallpaper, looking forward to that. These corner lights in the engineered homes are kind of annoying. We're gonna center that back down to here, maybe have a pot light there, and a center light here. We'll just figure out how we'll do our switching. Windows are newer, which is super nice. It needs some trim and paint and stuff, but nice windows. Big closets, and we'll probably get rid of the custom closet stuff they had in there. Bedroom 2, exact same as the last plan. Bathroom needs everything. So we'll do tile, we'll do a tub, we'll get it all looking pretty again. So once we finish the bathroom, we'll do the master. Now they did flooring, but since we're ripping it out, all that's coming out. Same thing with this light, we'll center a light here, paint, windows, all that fun stuff. The plan might be to redo this whole area. So we might take out this wall here, put a glass in there, get the shower done, toilet will stay there, the walk-in closet will be there, but then we'll be able to get rid of this wall and make the closet a lot bigger. So we'll see how that all goes. Let's head down to the basement and see what we gotta do down there. As we head down, we're just gonna be doing paint, drywall, floors, window coverings, all the standard stuff. There's a big living room down here. Ballast lights gotta go. We might have to upgrade the electrical panel. We'll take a look. It's full, so we gotta make sure of that. It actually has a newer furnace, so we'll get away with leaving that. Brick fireplace, I don't know. It's, do we paint it white? It's a big question a lot of people have. I guess it's the trendy thing to do, so we will see as we get there. There's 2 more bedrooms down here, which is kind of nice. So we got another bedroom. Again, paint, floors. When the lights are just in the worst position in this house, so we're gonna have to do something about that. And they're all these terrible lights. The bathroom is gonna need a lot of work. It's essentially a gut. There's the bathroom. Okay, and you can see like they built the cabinet out of plywood. So redone, we've already rebuilt the cabinet. Down here is kind of neat. So you just have a mech room here. Maybe a new hot water tank. My plumber is looking into that. We use Robert Reed from Reed Pro. We're gonna frame in a laundry room. Big laundry room, frame it in, insulation, new floors, make it look real pretty in here. And then someone gets a full functioning laundry room instead of just like a scary place that catches spider webs. All right, well that's a tour of the place. Obviously we just got possession of this place 1 hour ago. Our goal is to show people how you can make money flipping a house. We paid $355,000 for it. You're gonna watch us tear out cabinets, floors, everything. We're gonna show the whole process so you can figure out, is this something that you want to do? Do you want to invest in flipping a home? We bought this property, I think, pretty well. A lot of the mechanical work was already done, roof, windows, furnace, etc. Now it's just prettying it up. So I'm gonna take you through that journey. Along the way, we're gonna show you any mistakes we make, any problems we run into, and hopefully at the end of the day, how much we spent and how much we made. And I hope it's a lot of money on the made side. Just don't tell the government, they'll take half of it.
Drop it.
It wouldn't be a good flip without one of those. When you're flipping a home and you find money in the walls. Demolition is essentially done. Had to replace the stair. Sometimes you have to improvise in a renovation. We bought 8x4 sheets to get them as small as possible, but they just do not go down the stairs. Luckily, we had to remove this step that was here. So we are just taking the drywall and done. Now it's time to rebuild. All right, I thought we would go over a bit of the before and after doing our virtual tour. Yeah, look at that living room. And it's funny because it's not that much different. That was the wallpaper. It was pretty gross. It didn't want to come off, so we got that totally fixed. Looks a million times better. The railing, I think, was one of the biggest changes. Night and day, when you look at it like that. That's one of my favorite transformation photos. I don't know why. I just really like that one. So the kitchen, yeah, we custom made this kitchen. It's everything's brand new appliances from Baker's Appliances. You can see that's what the old kitchen was, and that's the new kitchen. So we opened it up, got rid of that, fixed all the drywall, new flooring. I'll show you the bedrooms because I think they had a really nice transformation as well. This is the old one, this is the new one. So just really brightened it up a little bit. I wanted to move these lights from the corners, but it was a pain in the butt. So we actually just put better lighting in there. And then this bathroom was a huge transformation. Here's the old bathroom, okay? And then this is the new bathroom. So quite a bit different. Again, custom cabinetry, brand new tub, new tile, all fixtures. And when you compare it to the old tile, I think it's a little bit better. What do you think? And then the master bedroom, I think really came out nice. Here's the before, here's the after. Again, just the color and the floor and everything just really brightens it up. This is what we ended up doing with that wall because it was weird. So we didn't reframe it, but we added a feature wall. So it's actually all these little lines are behind there too. And then we added barn doors, which came out really nice. And then, yeah, look at the transformation inside the actual bathroom. So again, we ended up taking out that whole wall right there, glass shower, shimmied it back a little bit, and just really were able to change the dynamic of this. Like, look at just the difference. It's like, oh, that feels kind of gross. Boom, that's the same spot you're standing in, right? Just huge difference. So the basement was a fairly simple transformation. It's not too much different. We drywalled it. We added a dozen pot lights down here, which really brightens it up. We left the fireplace alone. I think it looks really great. Yeah, we painted all the doors. Again, bedrooms look good. Check out this bathroom. This is one of my favorite parts of the transition as well, transformation. It was the most unusable bathroom I had ever seen, and now it's a real bathroom. So we were able to frame it correctly, make it look a million times better. Super clean, really nice. If you ask me what my favorite part was, I really like this reno of the bathroom. I think it came out amazing. The railing, which was not cheap, but we did it by hand, came out really cool. And then of course, the kitchen, because you get a good, good feelings inside when you realize like we did this all ourselves. Yeah, that's kind of the tour of the before and after. I think is a huge difference. Let me know what you think. If this is something you think you could take on, I'm gonna put up kind of a quick tour of the money, what it cost us to do everything, and how much profit we made. So let's see how that went. All right, let's talk about some of the costs. Flooring for the entire house. Not cheap. Totally worth it. Feature walls, we did 4 feature walls, 1, 2, 3, 4 feature walls. And at the end of the day, once you add in the feature wall with the barn door, they cost. The bathrooms, this was one of the bigger ticket items, buying all the things. Here's the cost for doing 3 bathrooms. Painting the entire house wasn't too bad. You do it a little bit yourself, hired out a painter for the last little bit. That ended up costing us. The kitchen, this is probably where we made the most profit because we were able to do most of the work ourselves. The total cost for the kitchen, including the countertops, including the appliances, including the sink, was the railings. These railings, this is one of my favorite features because we built it ourselves. The cost for the railing, a little more than I want. And then the basement, there was drywall costs. Just drywalling the ceiling and this room cost us. And the rest is fairly simple. There's gonna be odds and ends. Again, we did the bathroom, the lighting, doing this. This is just a bit of framing. This whole room cost us. So when you add it all up, that's pretty good figures. Like that's, once you add in the house costs, the carrying costs, and all of that fun stuff, our total renovation budget for this place was, and you know what? We ended up selling it for $480,000. So that gives us a profit of, which I think is a good day's work.
I won.
I don't know about you, but buying and selling properties is nerve-wracking and it is hard. And at the beginning of the project, you think you're going to make a lot of money. I actually predicted we would sell this house for $475,000. That was my early prediction. We ended up getting $480, but we also spent more money. Like I said, $2,080 just for the rails. Those are little things you kind of forget about when you're budgeting. You budget kitchen, you budget floor, you do all that stuff. But you forget about, oh, those 3 bathrooms ended up costing whatever I said in the video. It adds up. To be into this and actually make a profit at the end of the day is a huge win for us. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about buying, selling, or flipping properties, please give me a call. I can help you walk through this entire process. We knew from day one approximately what our profit was going to be, and we hit that mark, plus or minus a few $1,000s. It's much better than losing lots of money, which can happen if you do not buy the right property and follow the correct steps. So thank you so much for watching to the end. Feel free to click like and subscribe for more content like this. See you later.